In this video, we'll set the IFC object type on precast elements in order to have a nicer IFC output. Let's first of all see what the default IFC output looks like for these two types of precast walls. By browsing through the panel hierarchy, we can see the various wall layers are set as building element part. Although this is not incorrect, some people prefer having these elements set as IFC wall. Apply a right mouse click on the panel mark number to see the panel's attributes. There are three components in this specific wall: the precast panel, the sublayer, and the outer facing layer. We will add the IFC object attribute to the sublayer. And we will set it to IFC wall. Let's export an IFC file to see the result. We have to look inside the assembly hierarchy to see what usually is a building element part now has become wall. When looking at the detailed properties, we can indeed see the IFC wall value. In another IFC viewer, information might look a little different, but it can be found there as well. Since we don't want to edit this IFC object attribute on each element individually, we can use the Assign Attributes function and filter on the right elements. Just in case we need the attribute again, we can save this box. We can set a filter on the Assign Attributes function with a Ctrl plus right mouse click and filter on attributes. We will set the filter on the Name attribute with the value mt_precast layer. We can see the filter is working as not each element is being selected. We'll check the attributes to see if we have assigned the attributes properly. We'll make one more export to see if each element has been edited correctly. We can now clearly see the wall items in the elements hierarchy and IFC wall in the properties.